Hi, it's Bobby here. Welcome to episode 2 of the YouTube strategy, tips, and tricks of how to grow, to get more views, how to get more subscribers, and make more money with YouTube. Alright guys, so it's a 30-day series where I go over 30 tips of how to do those things. Alright, so recap, episode 1 was actually all about getting views, and basically it's reminding you should make remarkable content, right? Things that people can binge watch, binge worthy. And number 2, I hinted that if you do this, you will definitely grow your channel, right? So tip number 2, all right? And if you guys do have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. And if you do like this series, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't watched video number 1, I'll link it in the card here and then drop the link in the description there as well. So tip number 2, post frequently, right? Right? It's easier said than done. I know, post frequently. I recommend if you're not posting frequently nowadays, you have to do at least 1 video per week, right? Then you want to gradually go up to the 2 to 3 per week, because it's all about mindset and little wins, guys. So if you aim to do 3 videos a week from scratch, that's pretty difficult, because you have to get in the mindset of, I have to do these daily tasks. And if you're not used to that, then I'd recommend, like I said, just do the bare minimum once a week, build up to 2 times a week, and then build up to the 3 times a week, or even 5 times a week. So yeah, the goal is to post frequently, because that's straight from the YouTube website, guys. They said that if you post regularly and more often, then your channel will grow a lot more. Think about it. YouTube doesn't know anything about you. So if you're consistent and they know you're here for the long term, they will suggest your videos, they will advertise for you, and all that good stuff, right? So anyways, and another way my mentor had said was do a 30-day challenge. So this is my 30-day challenge, guys. I am gonna go and post my videos 30 days straight, and that should grow my YouTube channel. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. I will recap my whole 30-day uploads, and hopefully I'll get the results that I need. So a little tip and trick for that, right? I would say you would have to do a batch creation day and a batch editing day, right? And then now, say you batch 5 videos one day because, you had a day off, or you didn't have any plans and everyone's out of the house. So you're like, yes, I have my batch creation day. That's what I did, right? I'm doing a batch creation day. Then we have an editing day. So for 5, for you beginners, for 5, that's good for the whole month, for 5 weeks, right? Perfect. If you do 10, you do 2 videos for the whole month. All right, so you build up to it. All right, guys? So stay tuned to my next episode, right, in the series. And you know what it is? It's talking about call to action. And I'll tell you a little bit more about that in the next episode. All right, guys, if you guys like this, subscribe with the notification bell, so when I do upload, you will get that notification that, hey, I uploaded the 3rd tip. And also, if you didn't check out the first episode, go click that link down below, or suggested video on the side there, and then you'll be able to get it. All right, guys, peace out.